Okay, so the sun is clearly not gonna let me be great. Let me see. Anyway, I'm taking y'all outside with me on my porch while I work out today. Oh, I guess I need the whole. Never mind, lost it. Alright, so this is my view and this is my bike. Well, today I'm getting on this bike. I just didn't want to go to the gym today. It's not in the mood, so I'm gonna get on my bike. That's right on my porch. I know it looks dirty. That's the sheet. This is how ghetto I am. This is the sheet I used to cover it. So I slide it to the front. When I'm done, I slide it over the bike. Like that's gonna stop something. But yeah.
Alright, y'all. I'm back.
So I know earlier in the video I said I'm never sharing anything personal again. You know, I feel as if I'm gonna show you guys that I'm in the hospital laid out, that I need to show y'all. I need to tell y'all why I was in there. Not that I need to. I feel like I kind of left y'all hanging. But you know. But again, if I post anything, it's gonna be here and not on like the rest of my social media. No Facebook. Specifically, no Instagram. I'm never Instagram. Woo! Never again. Never again. Never. Ever. It's a done deal. I tried. I gave y'all a year, and a year is all it took. And it's crazy because I'm on Instagram 5 years now, I think. And I've never posted nothing. No one knows nothing. Till a year ago. Never again. But anyway, how are you guys doing? You know why I get on this camera and I talk? Getting on this camera and talking helps me get through my workout. It helps me get through my 30 minutes. And so that's why I get on here and I talk to y'all. I'm just trying to get healthier for myself, my family. I want kids. I'm not trying to be fat when I start off to get pregnant. I'd rather get fat when I'm pregnant. Start off big and get pregnant. That's too much. Let me drop 50 pounds and I'll put the 50 back on. Not to say I will. People with common sense know what I'm saying. I'm not saying I'll put on 50 pounds being pregnant, but you know what I'm saying. Gotta have the babies. I gotta be able to chase their bad ass around the house. You know? I'm hot. I'm sweating. I'm hot. I'm about to go inside though. I have my water.
Taking water breaks. I have 5 more minutes that I have to do. I probably should have went live. I think next time I'm gonna go live. Alright, so once I'm done, pick the sheet up just like this. Oh my god. I probably need to get on Amazon and figure this out. And I put the sheet right over the bike, just like this. And it's crazy, when we moved, I thought the water and stuff would destroy it, but the bike works perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. I cover it just like that. Oh, I love my view. It's so peaceful.
Alright you guys, so I just wanted to show you that I'm still on track. I am now replacing 2 meals with smoothies, which I'm very proud of. I'll probably never go to 3 because, you know, I need other nutrients in my body. But yeah, pretty proud of it. So let's get into it. Alright, so as you can see, I have far more berries than I do bananas. So that's how you really want to keep it. I only use half of a banana each time and more of like the tart berries, because they're good for you. Alright, so I'm gonna add my coconut water. It's like a couple tablespoons. And my lemon juice. You already know I'm not leaving that out ever. It gets rid of the toxins in your body. And it's just good for you. I always put a whole lemon or a half a lemon if it's really juicy. I try to get 2 to 3 tablespoons down in there. This one was really juicy.